In our fast-paced digital era, artificial intelligence, AI, has woven itself into the fabric of customer service. One standout gem in this realm is Paul Pana's brainchild, HumanBot, a top-tier AI chat software that's about to become your new best friend. Why, you ask? Because HumanBot has mastered the art of mimicking human-like responses, giving customer service a makeover like never before. Get ready to dive into the beginner-friendly realm of AI chatbot training, where we'll show you how to infuse your bot with your very own data. Your AI task assistant is here to have a friendly chat and engage with you right on the spot. Imagine the magic as we delve into a dentist's website where our trusty human-like bot resides. Here's the fun part. It just asked for my name, and I typed in Paul. Instantly, a warm virtual greeting welcomes me. Nice to meet you, Paul. But here's where the real fun begins. Let's put the AI to the test with a genuine question. Imagine you're wondering about teeth whitening, but you've got concerns about potential gum damage. This is a common question that anyone in your shoes might ask. And guess what? The AI chatbot is up for the challenge. So when you pose the question, I want to get my teeth whitened, but I'm worried about gum damage, would dentists be able to assist with? And guess what? This isn't just any question. It's the kind of stuff real people, like you and me, wonder about. And guess what the AI buddy says? Drum roll, please. Yes, a dentist would be able to help you with teeth whitening and ensure that your gums are not damaged during the process. In fact, it is always recommended to consult with a dentist before undergoing any teeth whitening treatment. Unleash the power of document training. Now, let's talk about one seriously cool feature that's going to blow your mind. Document training. Imagine this, you've got a dental clinic and you want your AI chatbot to know everything about it. No worries, with document training, it's a piece of cake. What's even better is that you're not limited to just a single format of information. Picture this scenario. Our AI chatbot enthusiast has added a PDF document containing all those frequently asked questions and other important stuff about the dental clinic. But that's not all. They've also thrown in the URL that showcases the clinic services, opening hours, and all that jazz. Now, here's the magic. The AI chatbot isn't just playing nice with the data, it's actually learning from it, boosting personalization and real-world tasks. Hold on, because this is where things get seriously awesome. Once that data is in, our AI buddy takes it to the next level. It's like having a personal assistant who's suddenly a pro at understanding the ins and outs of the dental business. And yes, you guessed it right, it's ready to tackle real tasks and answer questions like a champ. Real-life example, anyone? Let's say you're curious about the clinic's opening hours. You type in a simple query, "Hey, when are you open?" Brace yourselves, because the AI chatbot fires back with the answer you need. It's open from 8 a.m. to 12 a.m. every single day of the week. Yep, that even includes those sneaky statutory holidays. And guess what? It didn't just guess. It learned this from the information you provided. How it all comes together. But how did the AI chatbot pull off this impressive feat? Well, it's all about the data it was fed. Our AI hero had a look at the Contact Us page and other snippets of website wisdom. There was a phone number, a bunch of service details, and of course, those precious opening hours. All this knowledge got stored up in the AI's brain, making it the ultimate dental clinic guru. Picture this. Your AI chatbot, more than just a Contact Us solution, can actually go above and beyond. Let me illustrate this with a super cool example. Imagine a treasure trove of templates right at your fingertips. Whether you're looking to launch an app, set up appointments, mint some digital coins, manage registrations, reel in customers, provide stellar customer support, or even grow your mailing list with tempting coupon codes, guess what? All of this can be done intelligently using any data source or documents in your arsenal. But wait, there's more. This chatbot is smart, like seriously smart. It doesn't just stick to the script. It can dish out real, fact-based answers too. How, you ask? Well, it harnesses the power of generative AI to churn out those brilliant responses. And here's the cherry on top. It keeps getting smarter as time goes on. Let's get down to brass tacks with an example. Imagine you want to tackle something like restaurant table reservations. No problem. Just give that a click, load up the details, and boom, you're ready to roll. But that's not all. Take a look at what's on our screen. See that smooth flow? Yep, the chatbot handles all the nitty-gritty for you, making table bookings a breeze. And guess what? You can jazz it up even more by adding actions. Thanks to our integration wizardry with Zapier, the world of possibilities opens up wide. We're talking autoresponder integrations, monitoring integrations, merchant accounts cozying up with PayPal or Stripe, and even e-commerce marvels like Shopify. Now, let's zoom in on the fun part. Imagine your users interacting with the chatbot like never before. They can pop questions, make decisions, give buttons a satisfying click, and score rewards for completing tasks or making purchases. It's like a virtual adventure, all happening within the cozy confines of that interactive chat box. Exciting, right? From understanding the basics to customizing responses that dazzle, you're now equipped with the knowledge to transform your AI companion into a true conversation wizard. The world of AI is at your fingertips, and the possibilities are limitless. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things AI, tech, and innovation.